Let's see the path to success is about to open for you. For a long time, nothing seemed to move in your favor. You kept working while feeling unseen and exhausted. Then suddenly the right opportunity found you at the perfect time. New people start noticing your talents and your energy. One small success quickly turned into something much bigger. Doors that were once closed began opening one by one. You finally stopped doubting yourself and trust your journey. That was the moment your life truly started to change.